So, I think I've just had some bizarre dreams, and I was visited by three ghosts. One from the past, one from the present, one from the future. Bit like Christmas Carol. Hello. Hello. I'm from the past. Just a quick message to say, don't feel bad about what you haven't done. Don't feel guilty about what you didn't do in lockdown. Feel proud. Feel proud of what you've achieved and where you're going to go from now. So the present is about this massive global experience that we've all had. We've had a shared experience with the globe. That's quite unique. So let's embrace that as a present event with a global community. Thanks very much. So the important thing to remember for everybody is that the future is unknown for all of us. It always has been. So we're all going into a new era of society after this big shared experience. But just recognise the skills that you've developed over lockdown, the person you are turning into, and be proud of that, and move forward with a supportive school community into a global society that is looking for solutions. And I think that's a great opportunity. So that's my message. Bye. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed that little tale. It's a classic. It's a modern classic. Have a great summer, everybody. Bye-bye.